you are having low views, subscriber stagnation, watch hour stagnation, please listen to this video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you on how to go viral on YouTube. You must turn on these 3 things for you to go viral. These are features that YouTube have laid down for you to turn on, and for you to go viral. See, let me tell you something. I made a video that was day before yesterday, almost similar. You understand? And this has to you have to go to your YouTube studio to do this. That's why I recommend you should use your YouTube studio to post your video. Don't post it on your normal YouTube. I've said that in my previous video. Now, if you're seeing me for the first time, please like and subscribe. So let's go to our tutorial section of this video. Alright, we're in our YouTube studio now. What you do next is that before you get to this place, you type youtube.studio.com or you type studio.youtube.com. It will bring you this page. Okay, so now what next you do? Now you click on setting. We're on setting. Okay, so you click on default, you click on advanced setting. Sorry, not here. This way you click on this channel, then this basic information you see, you click on features eligibility. Can you see standard features enabled, intermediate features enabled, advanced features enabled? This is why you are not going viral. Okay, now you see this one, they say upload video, create playlist and add collaborators and new videos to playlist. So you click on enable. Let me click on this one so that you should see it yourself. They say channel is free of active community guideline strikes. Okay, so can you see all these things must be enabled in your YouTube studio? You should enable the 3 of them, because once you are doing so, YouTube will advance your feature, like your studio features, your YouTube studio features, and it will make you go viral. Any video you start uploading, once you do this, you see the differences. You understand? So that's a number 1 thing that you need to do on your YouTube studio this morning. So if you have not done yours, quickly go back, go to your YouTube studio and do it. Where you enter settings, then enter channel. Inside that channel, you see basic information, advanced settings, and features eligibility. So you enter features eligibility. So you see all this. You make all of them enabled, because once you're enabling all these things now, they will take you, especially this number 1, these standard features. They want you to do they want you to take passport. You understand? Use your phone to take passport and all those things. So you make sure you do it. Make sure they are enabled. So that's one thing you must do on your YouTube studio this morning. So go ahead to do it. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe.